Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today we will present the Business Mathematics assignment for course AFT 1103. I will be the first presenter to present for question number 1. My name is Nur Shafiqah bint Ruslan. My metric number is 822B0018. First of all, I will present the introduction of this assignment. The objective of this study are to study and understand the mathematical calculation deeply by applying the calculation method to our company report, and to study the way to identify a company financial report by mathematical calculative. Next slide is about company detail. The name of our company is Pandora. Company address as stated in the slide. The company owned by Ms. Lim J.P. Date of established is 24 May 2023. Type of business is sole proprietorship, and the main focus of business activity is DIY jewelries. Next slide is about our employee profile. Our company have 10 employees which came from different departments. They have 2 persons in charge in one department that holding a different position. Our company work 5 days per week and 8 hours per day. As you can see in the slide, there are a few important information that we include. This is the payroll report for all employee gross pay. Every worker have different gross pay because they hold a different position, and some of them do overtime work, and some of them also have given a commission by the company. The calculation for this payroll report is for the regular pay is hourly rate times regular hour. For overtime pay is overtime rate that our company give is 1.5 times hourly rate times overtime hour. As for the commission, we total sale times rate of commission, which is 10%. For the piece work, earning number of unit produced times rate per unit. Last week, calculate all of the amount to get the gross pay for each worker.
My name is Lim Chai Pei and my matrix number is A22A0755. Next, I will be presenting the financial resources of Pandora. Financial resources of Pandora consist of personal savings, loan from relative, and loan from Bank ABC. 70,000 ringgit is my own personal savings. 40,000 ringgit are loans from my relative. The interest rate is 2% for 24 months of period. The interest amount for the loan is 1,600 ringgit, and the future value for the loan is 41,600 ringgit. Our company also received a 90,000 ringgit of loan from Bank ABC. The interest rate is 2.7% compounded every 2 months for 7 years of period. The interest amount for the loan is 4,133 ringgit, and the future value is 94,133 ringgit. So the capital for Pandora is 200,000 ringgit. The interest amount of loan from relative Zoyo is calculated based on the formula interest equal to principal times rate of simple interest times time. And the future value for this loan is calculated based on the formula future value equal to principal plus interest. We find the interest rate and number of periods by using its formula to calculate the future value and interest amount for loan from Bank ABC.
Hi, my name is Mok Ying, and my number metric is 822A1194. Now I'm going to present the promissory notes. So this will be our promissory notes for the loan from a relative. So in this promissory notes, Lim Chai Pei is the marker of the notes and Zoyo is the payer of the notes. For maturity value of the notes, which is maturity value equals to face value plus interest due, we will get the answer, which is 41,600.
My name is Muhammad Hazim Aziz, and I'll be talking about the machinery of Pandora. The first product is stainless steel 3-in-1 Weldy MIG MMA 200 AA gasless MIG. The unit is 1 and the price is 389 ringgit. The second product is Daja laser marking machine S4 metal nameplate engraver for jewelry stainless steel portable engraving industrial desktop. The unit is 1, the price is 9,499 ringgit. The third product is Toolmy portable digital scale gold jewelry, scale powder scale, mini pocket electronic scale, professional digital milligram scale high. The unit is 1 and the price is 154 ringgit. The fourth product is KT185 magnetic tumbler jewelry, polisher, finisher equipment, polishing machine jewelry, cleaning and polishing. The unit is 1 and the price is 935 ringgit.
Is Nurul Atika binti Roshan and my matrix number is A22B1031. Now I will talk about depreciation of one of our machine in Pandora, which is Daja laser marking machine S4 metal nameplate engraver for jewelry stainless steel portable engraving industry desktop with the cost of 9,499 ringgit. The cost start at 9,499 ringgit and the scrap value being calculated for 3,304 ringgit and 96 cents for 7 years with the rate of depreciation of 14%. There is two ways of calculating the depreciation, which is the first one would be the decline balance method and the second one would be the sum of the year digit. The total depreciation in both methods are same, which the total depreciation is equal to the cost minus the scrap value. However, the book value for decline balance method equals to cost times 1 minus rate of depreciation square, which the book value for the sum of digit equal to cost minus depreciation fraction times scrap value. The annual depreciation for the decline balance are cost minus cost times with the cost minus rate of depreciation square. The sum of year digits can be calculated as useful years times with useful years add to 1 and divided by 2. This calculate can be resolved as this. This declining balance method which already be calculated using the appropriate formula which left the scrap value as the 3,304 ringgit and 96 cents and accumulated depreciation is 6,194 ringgit and 4 cents for 7 years with the rate of depreciation as a 40%. This is the sum of the year digit table which already be calculated using the appropriate formula which lets the ending book value as the 3,304 ringgit and 96 cents and accumulated depreciation as 6,194 ringgit and 4 cents.
Invoice. The first payment made to supplier X is on 13 March 2023, which is 5 days after the invoice date. So the term 77 is applicable, which means 7% discount is given. The invoice amount is 9,499, with discount 7% is 664 ringgit and 93 cents, and the end payment will be 8,837 ringgit and 7 cents. The payment for 30 March 2023 is 8,837 and 7 cents because it is inside the gap period of 7 days. So the second payment is made on 13 April 2023, which is 19 days after the invoice date, hence the term applicable is N30. Since the payment is made after 30 days, no discount will be applicable. The payment amount will be the same as the invoice amount, which is 9,499.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'd like to introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Shahid bin Supri with metric number A22A0163. I'm going to present my part, which is question number 4, which supports two questions, which are A and B. Questions A is to find monthly payment. So, in the slide has included along with the formula and a little description. Whereas, you can see on this slide, the formula is as follows. So, the monthly payment I got is 6,131.58 cents. The description is 70,000 was borrowed by Pandora from a bank to launch its enterprise. Pandora has set a 12-month payment schedule with 2.5% monthly interest rate. Our business will make monthly payment of 6,131.58 cents based on the amount of the bank loan we obtain. We determine this number using the monthly payment calculation, which is RM 6,131.50 cents. For questions B, as to make amortization schedule. A loans of an intangible assets book value is decreased using the accounting approach of amortization over a predetermined period of time. We required 8 teams to find a value for the table in the amortization schedule. The methodology and formula for determining the value are shown below. The beginning balance and ending value in the table must match. And also, we subtract the starting balance from the principal paid to determine the final balance. Last but not least, monthly payment less interest paid equals principal.
In conclusion, we have applied what we have learned in the lecture to complete this assignment. For instance, the estimation of the gross pay with overtime based on time is one of the information we get to enhance. We also strengthen our understanding of the basic interest principle and compound interest. We learn how to compose the promissory notes. Besides, we learn to clarify the different methods of depreciation. It is relevant for business because depreciation charges may be deducted from revenue of a business. We also learn how to measure and prepare for amortization. That's all for our assignment presentation. Thank you.